Understanding website hosting concept. Website hosting is an essential part of creating and maintaining a website. It is the process of storing all the files and data that make up a website on a server so that it can be accessed by internet users. In this article, we will demystify the concept of website hosting and provide you with everything you need to know. To begin with, there are different types of website hosting available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most common types include shared hosting, virtual private server, VPS, hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. Shared hosting is the most affordable option and involves multiple websites sharing the same server resources. It is suitable for small websites with low traffic. However, it can be slower and less secure compared to other hosting options. VPS hosting offers a virtual partition on a physical server, allowing each website to have its own dedicated resources. It offers better performance and security compared to shared hosting, making it a popular choice for medium-sized websites. Dedicated hosting provides an entire physical server exclusively for one website. It offers maximum performance, security, and customization options. This type of hosting is ideal for large websites with high traffic and resource-intensive applications. Cloud hosting utilizes a network of interconnected servers to host websites. It offers scalability, flexibility, and reliability as the website can utilize multiple servers. This makes it suitable for websites with unpredictable traffic patterns or seasonal spikes in traffic. Apart from the type of hosting, there are other factors to consider when choosing a hosting provider. These include uptime reliability, server speed, customer support, and additional features such as backup services, SSL certificates, and website builders. Uptime reliability refers to the percentage of time that your website will be accessible to visitors. A good hosting provider should guarantee a high uptime percentage, ideally 99.9% or higher. Server speed is crucial for user experience and search engine optimization. Slow loading times can lead to higher bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. Look for hosting providers that offer fast server speeds and utilize caching technologies. Customer support is important, especially if you are new to website hosting. A reliable hosting provider should offer 24/7 customer support through various channels such as live chat, phone, and email. Backup services are essential for protecting your website's data. Look for hosting providers that offer regular backups and easy restoration options in case of any data loss. SSL certificates are becoming increasingly important for website security. They encrypt data transmitted between a user's browser and the website, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. Many hosting providers offer free SSL certificates or provide options to purchase them. Website builders are useful for beginners or those without coding knowledge. They provide an intuitive interface to create and customize websites without the need for coding. Some hosting providers offer website builders as part of their hosting packages. In conclusion, website hosting is a crucial aspect of creating and maintaining a website. Understanding the different types of hosting and considering factors such as uptime reliability, server speed, customer support, and additional features will help you make an informed decision when choosing a hosting provider. By selecting the right hosting option and provider, you can ensure that your website is accessible, secure, and performs optimally.